Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Life is literally slipping away. Do you realize that the clock never stops ticking for your dreams? Every single second you waste is a chance that you will never get. Most people spend their entire lives sitting on the lonely sideline. They are waiting for a green light that is never going to appear. Success does not come to the ones who simply sit around and watch. It comes to the brave souls who are willing to jump into the fire. The perfect moment is a total myth created by the scared and weak. If you wait until you feel ready, you will be waiting forevermore. There is no such thing as a flawless plan or a completely safe bet. The greatest leaders in history started before they were prepared. They embraced the chaos and they figured it out along the journey. Your fear of failure is actually a fear of being seen trying hard. But the only real failure is never starting the path at all today. Imagine where you could be in 1 year if you just started now. The pain of discipline is far lighter than the heavy weight of regret. Regret is a ghost that will haunt you in the late-night hours. It will whisper about the potential that you decided to abandon. Do not let your talent go to waste because you were afraid to fall. Every pro was once a total beginner who refused to give up easily. They took the hits and they kept moving forward with deep resolve. You have the power within you to change your entire reality today. It does not require a miracle, it just requires a single bold step. Stop looking for permission from people who do not see your vision. They will never understand the fire that burns inside of your soul. Your dreams were given to you and not to the crowd around you. The world needs your unique voice and your special kind of magic. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's final chapter. They had to struggle just like you are struggling right now alone. Focus on the progress instead of trying to reach perfect results. Small wins will eventually build the momentum that you need now. Once you start, the universe has a way of aligning the stars fast. But the engine of progress only starts when you turn the key now. Wake up with a sense of urgency, like your entire life depends on it. Because truth be told, the quality of your life really does, soon. Do not become another statistic of someone who almost made it big. Be the person who actually had the guts to go all the way there. The noise of the world will try to distract you from the goal. Stay blind to the doubters and stay deaf to the negative voices. Your passion is the compass that will lead you through the dark. Trust your instincts even when the path ahead looks very blurry. Clarity comes through action and never through endless thinking. Overthinking is the death of creativity and the birth of fears. Kill the doubt by taking immediate action on your biggest goals. You are much stronger than you give yourself credit for these days. Every obstacle is just a test to see how badly you want success. Pass the test by refusing to back down when things get tough now. The comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing grows therein. Step out into the unknown and discover what you are capable of. You have one life and one chance to leave a mark on this earth. Make it count by being bold and being unapologetically yourself. The time of talking is over, and the time of doing is finally here. Tell the world who you are by showing them your incredible work. Do not let another day pass by without moving the needle forward. Say goodbye to the old you and embrace the version that wins big. You are the author of your story, so write a legendary tale now. No more excuses, and no more delays, and no more running away now. This is your moment, and this is your time to truly shine bright. The future belongs to the ones who believe in their own dreams. Go out there and grab what is yours with both hands right away. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one single step now. Take that step today and never look back at the shadows again. Your destiny is calling your name, so answer the phone right now. The world is waiting for you to show up and change everything. Believe in yourself as much as I believe in your great potential. Stay focused and stay hungry and never settle for any less now. You were born to stand out and not to blend into the dark crowd. This is the start of your new life if you choose to begin today. Go and become the hero that you have been waiting for all along. The clock is running out, so make every single heartbeat matter. Your success is inevitable if you just refuse to stop climbing. Keep going until you reach the top of the highest mountain now. You've got this and you know it, so stop waiting for a sign. This is your sign to go out and conquer the world right now. The perfect moment is now, and it has always been right here. Just start now and let the rest of the story unfold naturally.